Hello friends, today we are going to discuss the syllabus of HSP Part 1st in the subject of Physical Education of J&K Board of School Education. The total marks of the subject is 100 marks, theory 70 marks, practical 30 marks. The distribution of practical marks are 10 marks internal and 20 marks external. There are 10 chapters in physical education. Each chapter has marks value is 7. First of all, we discuss chapter number 1, concept of physical education, introduction of physical education, meaning of physical education, past and modern concept of physical education, definitions of physical education, aims and objectives of physical education, Central Advisory Board of Physical Education, need and importance of physical education, misconceptions about physical education, scope of physical education, Phillips multiple choice questions, say true or false, answer the following questions in one sentence. Chapter number 2, Physiological Aspects of Physical Education, Muscular System, Introduction of Muscular System, Types of Muscles, How Muscle Work, Effects of Exercises on Muscular System, Circulatory System, Introduction of Circulatory System, Introduction of Heart, Structure of Heart, Effect of exercises on circulatory system, function of heart, respiratory system, introduction of respiratory system, function of respiratory system, effect of exercises on respiratory system, digestive system, introduction of digestive system, function of digestive system, effect of exercises on digestive system, Phillips multiple choice questions, say true or false, answer the following question in one sentence. Chapter number 3, Psychological Aspects of Physical Education, Psychology in the Field of Physical Education, Introduction of Psychology, Meaning of Psychology, Definitions of Psychology, Need of Psychology in the Field of Physical Education, Sports Psychology in the Field of Physical Education, Introduction of Sports Psychology, Meaning of Sports Psychology, Definitions of Sports Psychology, Importance of Sports Psychology in Modern Age, Psychology Factors which affect the physical program, Motivation in Sports, Introduction of Motivation, Meaning of Motivation, Types of Motivation, Definitions of Motivation, Achievement in Sports, Meaning of Achievement, Definitions of Achievement, Define sportsmanship. Phillips multiple choice questions, say true or false, answer the following questions in one sentence. Chapter number 4, Career Aspects in Physical Education, Career Options in Physical Education, Introductions of Career Aspect in Physical Education, Career Option in Physical Education, Avenues for Career Preparations, Avenues of Career Preparations in Physical Education, Career Preparation Institution in Physical Education, Role of Parents in Career Preparation of their children. Phillips multiple choice questions, say true or false, answer the following questions in one sentence. Chapter number 5, Health and Family Education, Concept of Health Education, Introduction of Health and Family Education, Meaning of Health Education, Modern Concept of Health Education, Definitions of Health Education, Importance of Health Education, Scope of Health Education, Alcohol, Introduction of Alcohol, Effects and abuses of alcohol on individual. Effect and abuses of alcohol on family and community. Effect of alcohol on sports persons. Tobacco. Introduction of tobacco. Effect and abuses of tobacco on individual. Effect and abuses of tobacco on family and community. Effect of tobacco on sports persons. Drugs. Introduction of drugs. Types of drugs. Harmful effects of drugs on individual. Harmful effects of drugs on family, community, individual and society. Different kinds of drugs used by individual. Harmful effect of drugs on sports persons. How drugs addiction begin. Phillips multiple choice questions. Say true or false. Answer the following questions in one sentence. Chapter number 6. Concept of major games and sports. Kho-Kho. History of Kho-Kho. Rules and regulations of Kho-Kho. Measurement of Kho-Kho. Responsibilities of officials. Equipment required for Kho-Kho. Fundamental skills of Kho-Kho. Terminology of Kho-Kho. Phillips multiple choice questions. Say true or false. Answer the following questions in one sentence. Badminton. History of badminton. Introduction of badminton. Rules and regulations of badminton. Fundamental skills of badminton. Equipment and official required for badminton match. Measurement of badminton. Terminology of badminton. Responsibility of umpires in badminton match. Phillips multiple choice questions. Say true or false. Answer the following question in one sentence. Kabaddi. History of Kabaddi. Introduction of Kabaddi. Measurement of Kabaddi. Rules and regulations of Kabaddi. Fundamental skills of Kabaddi. Terminology of Kabaddi. Phillips multiple choice questions. Say true or false. Answer the following question in one sentence. Handball. History of handball. Introduction of handball. Rules and regulations of handball. Measurement of handball. Fundamental skills of handball. Duty of official in handball match. Terminology of handball. Phillips multiple choice questions. Say true or false. Answer the following questions in one sentence. Hockey. History of hockey. Introduction of hockey. Rules and regulations of hockey. Measurement of hockey. Fundamental skills of hockey. Terminology of hockey. Phillips multiple choice questions. Say true or false. Answer the following question in one sentence. Archery. History of archery in India. Introduction of archery. Scoring in archery. Shooting techniques in archery. Fundamental skills of archery. Phillips multiple choice questions. Say true or false. Answer the following questions in one sentence. Chapter number 7. National Games. National Awards. Ancient history of sports award in India. Modern history of sports award in India. Arjuna Award. Dronacharya Award. Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratan Award. Maulana Abul Kalam Azad Trophy. Dhyan Chand Award. Padam Shri Award. National events. Independence Day. Republic Day. Phillips multiple choice questions. Say true or false. Answer the following question in one sentence. Chapter number 8. Olympic Games. Introduction of Olympic Games. Ancient history of Olympic Games. Modern history of Olympic Games. Olympic idols. Olympic village. Olympic flag. Olympic rings. Olympic torch. Opening ceremony. Aims of Olympic Games. Olympic oath. Olympic events. Olympic awards. Closing ceremony. Difference between ancient Olympic and modern Olympic games. Phillips multiple choice questions. Say true or false. Answer the following question in one sentence. Chapter number 9. Diet and its importance in physical development. Diet and physical fitness. Introduction of balanced diet. Meaning of balanced diet. Types of grouping food. Effects of balanced diet. Role of diet in sports performance. Food constituents in balanced diet. Obesity and physical fitness. Introduction of obesity. Types of obesity, causes of obesity, effects of obesity, methods of treatment for obesity, unhealthy eating habits. Phillips multiple choice questions. Say true or false. Answer the following question in one sentence. Chapter number 10. Common sports injuries and rehabilitation. Sports injuries. Introduction of sports injuries. Meaning of sports injuries. Prevention and rehabilitation of sports injuries. Types of injuries. Muscle pull, sprain, strain, fracture, dislocation. Phillips multiple choice questions. Say true or false. Answer the following question in one sentence. Thanks and have a nice day.